This is a typical square root problem where we have to find the value of square root 0.01 plus square root 0.0064. So this can be solved as square root 0.01 can be written as 1 divided by 100 plus square root 0.0064 can be written as 64 divided by 10,000. This is further equals to square root 1 divided by 100 plus, after solving the square root of 64 is 8 and square root of 10,000 is 100. This simplifies to square root. After adding this comes 1 plus 8, 9 divided by 100. Further, the square root of this value, it gives 3 divided by 10. So this is our answer.